Hello guys and welcome back to ANTARES. In today's video I'm gonna give an introduction to the command line. So without wasting time, let's begin. First you need to open the CMD, which is also called as command prompt. All you need to do is type in your search menu CMD, or you can just open it by clicking Windows plus R button in combination. Press Windows plus R and a run box will open, in which you have to type CMD as I have did and hit enter. And now as you can see, command prompt or the command line has opened up. All you have to do is now make it to the large screen. Type mode 1000 and set it to the full screen. And this is the actual interface of the command prompt. Whenever you open this command line in any operating system, either it might be Windows 7, 8 or 10, the same kind of interface and the same kind of sentence you will find it, but the name ANTARES.EXE will replace by your current computer admin name. Okay, and here you can see there's a capital letter which is C, which indicates the local disk drive in which your operating system is installed. Very next to it there's a colon, and after that there's a slash, then users. Users is a folder in which you are, and then in the folder users there's another thing which is called as admin. The admin named ANTARES. Okay, and then you're the actual administrator who's using the command line right now. All you will do is, under the recommendations and authority of the admin ANTARES, the action will be taken under the admin called ANTARES. You can also change your admin to some other one, but to do that I'm going to show you in the next tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change directories and open files and folders from the command line itself. It's really very easy and very good to know that. Okay, so for example, I am in ANTARES.EXE, so I want to move to some other folder. From ANTARES to, let's take a desktop. Alright, how you can do it in the command line, now I'm going to show you that. So before we do that, I'm going to tell you the actual reason of using it. We have such a great graphical interface of operating system. It's a really beautiful interface, but why we are supposed to use this black screen? The reason why we are using it, because this is much more powerful than the graphical interface. It works faster and it's really powerful. Actually, we are using the language of the computer here. So that's why the computer can understand faster and better and gives us a great output. So let's begin. Now how do you change a directory here? Let's type in CD. CD means change directory, and then give a space bar, or you can say space, and then type the directory name which you want to. And hit enter. And as you can see, we are in a desktop. For example, you might be thinking that we're in desktop. What is desktop? So I'm gonna show you that. This is where actually we are. Okay, we are in this folder, or you can say we are here on the desktop mode. So now actually we are in desktop here. And how do I get back to ANTARES folder? Because there is only one way to do that. And if we try the same thing as I did in the first line, CD, then hitting spacebar and then typing desktop, can we do it by doing the same thing here? By typing CD space ANTARES. So let's try it, but I will tell you it will not work. You can still give a try, but it won't work for the users or admin. Just type in and I will show you. CD ANTARES. Okay, the same thing. Hit enter. So as you can see, it is saying that the file cannot be found. Okay, so now how to do it? All you need to do is type in CD, then hit spacebar, then ... hit enter. As you can see, you're back in it. Okay, so let's move to CD and downloads. Hit enter. You're in the download folder. Okay, and now in download folder I want to go, there's a folder called programs. Okay, I want to go in that folder. How can I do it? There are two ways of doing that, but the first way I'm going to tell you will not work because you can't get into a folder directly. So let me show you. I forgot the folders. You can do it also like this. I forgot the folder's name which I want to go in. And now if I want to know that which folder it was, I have to go to the graphical interface, then open folder downloads, and then search for the program folder, and then I have to open it. So why so much of doing? If you have forgotten the folder name, all you need to do is press tab. One click, one change. If you hit for the second time, it will change again. Third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and here you can see we got our folder programs, and when I hit enter it will say the program folder is not recognized by external or internal command. As I said you, it will not work. And what to do in this situation? All you have to do is go back CD ... and then type in CD downloads and then give a backslash and type the folder name. As the folder name is programs, so you be careful that the folder name you type in or the directory you type in, it must be correct. There must not be any spelling errors. Then hit enter. As you can see, we are in programs, and now in programs you can search for the file you need. For example, I'll hit tab. They're all softwares here, and you can see there are many softwares here. So I'm not going to open the softwares. I'm going to show you something else. So now as we are in the folder or directory called programs, I want to get back to downloads in case of folders. There are two ways to do it. The first one I have shown you, the same thing, CD space ... but the second one is a little bit different. All you have to do is type in CD space then ... backslash, hit enter, and you're back to the download folder. And now I'm going to show you how you can open files with using the command line. Alright, and now I'm going to change my directory to desktop. CD ... CD desktop, and now I'm in desktop, and let's open a files in command line. So I'm going to type in CD desktop/admin. I'm in admin and I want to open a file. It is a text file, so I'll open the second one. As you can see, this is how you can open the folders or files. And now as you can see, the file text is opened up. This is how you open the files in the command line. You can also open pictures, videos, and softwares from this command line method. That's it guys for today. In today's video we learned about the command prompt a little bit more. Okay, in the next tutorial we're gonna learn much more about the command prompt. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more daily updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.